Hack number 1 would be for you to use slim hangers inside of your closets to save space. These slim hangers are not only slim, but they also prevent your clothes from sliding off. I love these slim hangers because they look so pretty inside of the closet. Everything looks so uniform, and I can save a lot of space. I mean, I leave a little bit of space when I hang my clothes, but if I needed it to cramp my clothes together, I would be able to fit a lot more clothes inside of the closet. Here's an example of a regular hanger. This regular hanger is made out of wood and is very thick in size, and look at the slim hanger, it's so thin. So if you put 4 or 5 slim hangers, it would be the size of this wooden hanger. And this is another hanger that I have. Is not as thick in size as the other one, but it's still thick. As you could see, the slim hanger is very thin, and you could fit 3 slim hangers for the size of this one. Hack number 2 would be for you to leave some spare hangers inside of your closet. They come in very handy just in case you were to buy a new shirt, you have hangers to hang them in. Hack number 3 would be for you to hang all of your clothes facing on the same direction. By doing so, your closet looks so much organized and everything looks beautiful and uniform. Hack number 4 would be for you to check all of the clothes inside of your closet once a month. Make sure to go through every single garment to see if they need any sorts of repair. For example, here's a dress and it's missing a button. So I'm gonna make sure to take this dress out and put a new button. Hack number 5 would be for you to use closet organizers or baskets. In here I have a small basket and I am organizing all of my small purses. In here I have purchased 2 organizers. One of them is for sweaters and the other one is for shoes. In the one for sweaters, I am storing all of my sneakers, and on the one for shoes, I am storing all of my sandals. Hack number 6 would be for you to hang all of your clothes that you do not want to see wrinkled. If you have the space and you can afford to hang your clothes, then I advise you to hang all of your clothes on your closet. I hang all of my t-shirts because I used to have my t-shirts inside of drawers, and what used to happen is that no matter how I would fold them, they would always be wrinkled at the time that I wanted to wear them. So therefore I would spend more time going and ironing my t-shirts and then putting them on. So if you hang your clothes, you're gonna have everything wrinkle proof and you're not gonna waste any time when you're trying to get dressed. Hack number 7 would be for you to rotate your clothes. For example, here with my jeans, when I do the laundry, I don't put the clean pair of jeans in the front. I put it all the way in the back where the jeans are, and this way I make sure that the next time that I'm gonna wear a pair of jeans, I wear the one on the front and not the one on the middle and not the one on the back. This way I ensure myself that I'm wearing every single pair of jeans. Hack number 8 would be for you to hang your clothes by category. For example, here I'm hanging all of my blouses together in the same area, and in here I am hanging all of my pants together in the same area. If you hang your clothes by categories, your closet is gonna look very organized. If you do not do so and you hang your clothes randomly, everything is gonna look very messy and disorganized. Hack number 9 is for you to fit more shoes on a shelf. In here is a good example. You put a shoe facing out and you put a shoe facing in. This way you're going to be able to store more shoes on a shelf, and not only that, you're going to be able to store more, but you're going to show the back of the shoe, so it's more aesthetically pleasing because it looks so much nicer on the shelf. Hack number 10 is for you to group your shoes and your purses by color. A good example is my purse is a mustard color and my shoes are also a mustard color. By doing so, you create matching sets. This way your closet looks so much more organized, and at the time that you get dressed, there is no time wasted. Now let's have a look at what the whole entire walk-in closet looks like. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to give us a like and to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. You're free to share this video with your family and your friends, and thanks for watching.